Now we can discuss about the part 2 of the things we can do in our free time. What we have to do in our free time. So many productive things we can do in our free time. That is already part 1 is over. Then part 2 we can think over. So in part 2, that is things in free time what we can do. For a good walk in holiday in your nearer parking areas. Generally, working professionals will not have time to spend for walking in a park also. So you can take that opportunity in your free timings or in holidays or weekend holiday, because IT engineers will so many IT engineers will be there. Not only in any profession, in civil or mechanical or electrical, whatever it may be. IT engineers, generally IT engineers will go at morning 8. They will reach at office at 9 p.m. And again they are leaving the office at 8 p.m. and leaving to the home is at 9 p.m. That time they cannot go for parking for morning walk, and morning walk they cannot go, and evening walk also they can't go. So such busy works will be there. So that time in your free timings, that is weekend holidays, weekend timings also, you will have couple of days weekend will be there, and otherwise generally holidays will be there. Likewise, so many things will be there. So that in your weekends or in holidays, in your leisure, otherwise if you are having any free time, you can, good walking is most important. Without walking, with walking, very good, it is health to the body also. But walking means not hours together, just half an hour walking in a comfortable area with a good air. That maybe in park is very comfortable. So in your home, how long you can walk. So if it is nearer to your area, one park will be there. You can go there and you can walk half an hour. That will give a good health to you. Generally, working professions will not have time to spend for walking in a park also. So you can take opportunity in your free timings or in holidays or weekends also. You can utilize this time for good walking. That should not be more than half an hour. Half an hour is comfortable and it will give very good health to you, and so many problems will be reduced by that also. Even once in a week, if you have a good walk, it will reduce so many diseases internally, and so many other side effects also will go uh, happily. Then in your free time, what you can do, that is learn about financial tips. Working employee should think about working employee should think about, learn about financial tips. Everybody will have, employee or business professional, whatever it may be, he should have some financial tips also, because everyone will earn money something, but they cannot plan in time in a proper way. So that learn about financial tips. Working employee should think about their financial growth and economic safety. That time you can view YouTube videos about financial tips. You need not implement at a time, but for the time being, you can come to an idea to implement your capable financial choice. So, financial tips are most important. So, one thing also I want to share with you, in around 1991 and 92, I used to save monthly 8,000 rupees. That time just I am putting in a bank. One my friend has did that, for that 8,000 he purchased a plot in Bolaram. Yes, that is after Kokatpalli and that area Bolaram. Bolaram area, he purchased 200 yards of land for 8,000 rupees that time. That is 91 that time. Then he left that. He got the land copy, and he felt every couple of hours to every couple of years he is going and seeing back and something like that. And he has given that land as 200 yards of land also for vegetables making person, farmer. He has given for the time being to plantation of um, some green leaves and all these vegetables, he can make and do it. So freely, that is freely. He is having the 200 yards, it's not so much a space. So what he has given is, he has given to one vegetable farmer, he will make something and he will do something, and it is going on likewise. So, but once if he is going up for a couple of years, he used to give some fruits and some of the vegetables also, and likewise what he is having that time he used to give, so that he is also very happy. But after 20 years, that 8,000 worth of Ballaram land has becoming 35 lakhs. So where is 8,000 and where is 35,000? So 35 lakhs. The demand has been increased likewise. So investing on land is becoming a very good idea. But don't eat yours for eating and living. If it is comfortable, you can spend on land, real estate, that you will get a very good income. But he is not a real estate person, just he is also common employee like me, good employee like me. And he did one good thing that has happened him to 35 lakhs. He used that 35 lakhs for his daughter's marriage. He is very happy without spending money of his own pocket. It was done very well. So you have to think about that. Financial tips will increase your ideas very well. And another person is there. He is already he is an MCOM candidate, and he is working under CA, and he is also getting around that time in 1991. That time he used to get 5,000 rupees. Then he worked in the same chartered accountant company 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. Likewise, he used to earn 50,000 per month also. That time what he did is, his boss is doing in that is mutual funds, Reliance mutual funds, and so many mutual funds are there. He is investing. So he is also following in the same way. His boss is spending 100 mutual funds in a month, means he is also spending 10 mutual funds per month. Likewise, after 20 years, it has become, he earned 2 crores of income. Only just every month he used to spend around 5,000. He is earning 10,000, means he spends 10,000 rupees on mutual funds. Likewise, it has been increased, but he selected very good mutual funds. That is Reliance, and so many other are there. I don't know particularly. In those Reliance mutual funds and all these funds, he used to spend it. Every month, 5,000 rupees he used to spend. Likewise, after 20 years, he got 2 crores of income by that. He purchased a house, and he purchased a very good worth of 1 crore house, and he saved 1 crore of the money also as fixed deposit. But he is not having any lands and all these things. But he saved 1 crore rupees in a fixed deposit. By that he is earning that interest. By that he is able to live now after retirement also. So likewise, it is also a good financial tip. But you should be careful how to invest, where to invest, and when it is good. All these things also they have to research. For that they have to do in your free timings. Study about financial tips through your mobile itself in YouTube. So many hundreds of YouTube videos are there. Financial tips means they will give very good tips, even in Telugu and all in mother languages of India, and in Hindi, and in English also. You can get very good ideas. By that, anything it is matching to you, you can spend it and you can settle very well. And another thing is, not only the wealth and finance, you can have a motivational books are also most important to change your life. Not changing, but you can improve uh, your spiritual health also. So read a motivational book or video in your free timings, but not regularly. But you are having a holiday that time, you can, after taking a tiffin and coffee in the morning, you can review one motivational video in YouTube. It gives an inspiration to your career, and future it may be financial or personality development or professional career. It will be useful to you. It will give a planning and idea to you to get very good success. This is the end of my part 2, things in free time. This is so many are there, we can think up to that time. Now it is successful to you. Wishing you all the best.